Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to recover unsaved document. So as example, I will create example in here and then you can close this document. I will set don't save, and if you want to recover the last document, you can go to file, click open, and then you can click on recover unsaved document button. We show the files, temporary files, and you can double click to open the last file. Now you can save as your document. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to recover unsaved document. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.